city sleeps, the world is still. Your whisper moves, I feel your will. Every shadow fades away as your light begins to stay.
My heart beats slow in perfect time. Your grace turns water into wine. In the rhythm of this night, I find your holy light.
Through the silence, through the sound, your spirit's all around. Every breath, every sigh is fate tonight. You are my fate tonight. My calm within the fight. Your love is shining bright. My soul takes flight. In the dark you make me whole. Your peace fills my soul. Every moment feels so right. I find my faith tonight.
When the doubts begin to rise, you bring stars into my eyes. Every tear becomes a song. Your love is where I belong.
I see heaven through the haze. Your mercy lights my ways. You remind me I'm alive. Your spirit keeps me high. When the night is deep and wide, you're always by my side. You breathe your truth inside. I feel my faith alive. You are my faith tonight. My calm within the fight. Your love is shining bright. My soul takes flight. In the dark you make me whole. Your peace fills my soul. Every moment feels so right. I find my faith tonight. You move like wind through open skies. Your grace will never die. I'll dance beneath your holy flame. Forever praise your name. Every heartbeat's yours to take. Every move for heaven's sake. Now my heart begins to rise. My faith alive tonight. Faith tonight. You are my faith tonight. My calm within the fight. Your love is shining bright. My soul takes flight. In the dark you make me whole. Your peace fills my soul. Every moment feels so right. I find my faith tonight. Find my faith tonight. Oh, you are my faith tonight. Oh, yeah, faith tonight, faith tonight. My faith tonight.
Your love fills the sky. Stars of worship shine. In the silence of the night, your love becomes my light. Every heartbeat starts to glow. Heaven's song begins to flow. The ocean waves, they sing your name. tonight is worshiping your light. You paint the stars with endless grace. Your beauty fills this place. Every heart begins to rise, reflecting in your eyes. Under stars of worship, I find you here. Your presence calm, your voice so clear. Every shimmer, every light reminds my soul of your might. You move the heavens, you part the sea, you shine. Your love on me forever. I will be under stars of worship. Every moment feels divine. Your heartbeat close to mine. The night reflects your endless flame, and every breath declares your name. You're the light that never fades. My soul in you is made. Through every shadow, every fear, your spirit draws me near. You move like waves upon the sea. Your grace keeps covering me. In the glow of heaven's ark, you restore my heart. Under stars of worship, I find you here. Your presence calm, your voice so clear. Every shimmer, every light reminds my soul of your might. You move the heavens, you part the sea, you shine. Your love on me forever. I will be under stars of worship. Your light fall down on this holy ground. Let the night declare your glory everywhere. Every soul will sing to the everlasting King. All creation starts to cry. Your love lights up the sky. Under stars of worship, I find you here. Your presence calm, your voice so clear. Every shimmer, every light reminds my soul of your might. You move the heavens, you part the sea, you shine. Your love on me forever. I will be under stars of worship. Your light fills the sky. Forever you shine. Stars of worship.
Your love's in motion, flowing through devotion.
In the quiet of the night, I feel your spirit move inside. Every breath becomes a prayer. You remind me you are there. Through the rhythm of my heart, your presence sets me apart. Every step I walk in grace, you light my every place.
You move like waves upon the sea. Your spirit's alive in me. Every move a melody that sings a victory.
You move like rhythm through my veins. You break away the chains. Through every night, through every trial, your grace makes life worthwhile.
You're my grace in motion, flowing through emotion. Every heartbeat, every sound, your love keeps spinning round. You lift me up, you pull me close, your mercy overflows.
You're my endless devotion, my grace in motion, my grace in motion.
Your love is rhythm, pure and strong. The song that I've known all along. When the waves begin to rise, you're my calm beneath the skies.
Forever you remain, the tempo in my veins. Your glory's my emotion, my grace in motion.
You're my grace in motion, flowing through emotion. Every heartbeat, every sound, your love keeps spinning round. You lift me up, you pull me close, your mercy overflows.
You're my endless devotion, my grace in motion, my grace in motion.
You are my grace.
Forever in motion.
Breathing grace. Oh, please. Your love. In the silence, I find you near. Every breath removes my fear. You whisper softly in the night, filling my soul with light.
Your mercy flows like gentle waves. Your presence calms the space. Every moment I can see you're breathing life in me.
Every heartbeat, every sigh, your love keeps me alive. You are the calm, the endless peace. Your spirit brings release. I breathe in grace.
I let it flow. Your love's the rhythm my heart knows. You move through me, so pure, so free. Your presence lives in me. I breathe in grace. I'm not the same. Your mercy runs through every vein. Forever changed. I'm face to face as I breathe in grace.
You are my light, you are my song, in you I belong. I breathe in grace, I let it flow. Your love's the rhythm my heart knows. You move through me, so pure, so free. Your presence lives in me. I breathe in grace, I'm not the same. Your mercy runs through every vein. Forever changed, I'm face to face as I breathe in grace. You're the air inside my lungs, the melody I've sung. You're the peace in every fight, my morning and my night. Let your spirit fill this place, your fire, your embrace. Every soul begins to rise to the grace that never dies. I breathe in grace, I let it flow. Your love's the rhythm my heart knows. You move through me, so pure, so free. Your presence lives in me. I breathe in grace, I'm not the same. Your mercy runs through every vein. Forever changed, I'm face to face as I breathe in grace. Oh, breathe in grace. You're my peace. You're my peace. Forever I breathe in grace. Your light awakens me. You shine within me. When the morning starts to rise, your love reflects in my eyes. Every breath I take you near. Your peace is all I hear. The world is quiet, hearts are still. Your mercy moves, your perfect will in the silence. I can see your light is shining in me. Through the night and through the pain, your hope remains the same. You lift me when I fall. You are my all in all. Shine within me, your light sets me free. Every step I take, your love's the air I breathe. You fill my heart with melody. Your grace forever carries me. Lord, I'm alive, I can see. Every sunrise speaks your name. Your beauty burns like flame. You take my fears, you make me whole. You heal my fragile soul. I feel your presence in the air. Your voice is everywhere. You're the rhythm in my heart. Your light's where I start. Every moment you remind, your love is undefined. Your glory makes me new. My heart belongs to you. Shine within me, your light sets me free. Every step I take, your love's the air I breathe. You fill my heart with melody. Your grace forever carries me. Lord, I'm alive, I can see. You're the glow inside my soul, the story yet untold.
every rhythm, every sound. Your mercy all around. Let your spirit move like waves through the night and through my days. Let my life forever be your light within me. Shine within me, your light sets me free. Every step I take, your love's the air I breathe. You fill my heart with melody. Your grace forever carries me. Lord, I'm alive, I can see. You shine within me, your light in me, forever free. You shine within me. You light over me. Forever I'm free.
The stars reflect your endless grace. Your peace is shining on my face. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever you remain.
The waves move gently in the night. Your glory glows, my soul ignites. Your love's the rhythm I believe. Your light is over me.
In the quiet, I can see your mercy covering me.
Every shadow fades away.
Your presence lights my way. Light over me. Your love sets me free in the still of the night. You're all I need. Every breath, every beat. You move inside of me. Forever I'll be with you. Forever I'll be
I hear the ocean whisper grace. Your presence fills this holy space. Every moment you renew. My heart belongs to you.
the rhythm flows, the stars align. Your peace within this heart of mine. The night is bright, I start to see. Your light is over me. When I fall, you lift me high. You paint hope across the sky. You shine through every tear. Your love is always here. Light over me. Your love sets me free in the still of the night. You're all I need. Every breath, every beat. You move inside of me. Forever I'll be. Forever I'll be. Your light is breaking through the dark. It burns within my heart. Every doubt begins to fade. In you I'm unafraid. You are the fire in the sky, the reason that I fly. Forever I believe.
Your light is over me.
lights are low, the night is near. Your presence whispers in my ear. Every breath I feel you close. In this peace my spirit grows.
The city fades, the stars align. Your grace runs through my mind. In the still beat of my chest, I find my soul at rest.
Every pulse, every sound, heaven's rhythm all around. In the silence, in the noise, I lift my heart, I lift my voice. Our hearts in rhythm, moving as one. Your spirit shining brighter than the sun. Through every beat you make me whole. Your grace, the music of my soul. Oh, in the dark or morning light, you're the fire that burns so bright. Every breath and every night, you keep our hearts in rhythm. Under the lights, my soul can see your love dancing inside me. No fear can steal this peace I know. Your presence makes me glow.
I am my gift to you. Every heartbeat feels brand new. This rhythm plays this melody. Forever you're with me.
Every note you play is true. Every chord leads me to you. When I move in grace. Your rhythm fills this place. Our hearts in rhythm, moving as one. Your spirit shining brighter than the sun. Through every beat you make me whole. Your grace, the music of my soul. Oh, in the dark or morning light, you're the fire that burns so bright. Every breath and every night, you keep our hearts in rhythm.
Your love flows like sound waves high. Heaven echoes through the sky. Every step, every move I take, it's your rhythm that you make.
Our hearts in rhythm, moving as one. Your spirit shining brighter than the sun. Through every beat you make me whole. Oh, your grace, the music of my soul. Oh,
In the night I feel you near. Your rhythm's all I hear. Every heart that's come alive beats in rhythm with the sky.
hearts in rhythm, your love in motion, forever devotion.
The night is fading. Your light is breaking through.
The sky turns gold, the shadows fade. Your mercy lights another day. I lift my eyes to find your grace. Your presence fills this holy place.
Every
silence, through the rain, your voice brings hope again. In the breaking of the dawn, I know I'm not alone. You are my morning light, chasing the dark from my sight. Your love awakens me, sets my spirit free. Every heart begins to shine in your grace divine. You are my peace, my guide, my morning light. Oh, the waves are calm, the air is still. Your purpose moves within my will. Every tear you've turned to gold. Your promise never grows old.
The sun ascends, my heart believes. Your presence dances in the breeze. Every rhythm, every tone draws me closer to your throne. When the world feels cold and gray, your love still lights the way. From the night into the day, your joy will always stay.
You are my morning light, chasing the dark from my sight. Your love awakens me, sets my spirit free. Every heart begins to shine in your grace divine. You are my peace, my guide, my morning light. Let your glory rise like the dawn. Let the world see where I belong. You're the reason I breathe again. Your love